Would you like to make $5 per minute? We will receive $5 a minute from this site, which is incredible. Payments are processed quickly and withdrawals are available in a variety of ways. Globally, more than $5 are earned every minute. Watch this video all the way through and I will show you how to fill your pockets with $5 every 60 seconds. Please subscribe to this channel and make sure the notification bell is turned on before we begin so that you can be updated with the future videos. By this, you can begin things happen in reality not just by watching it or imagining it. Do give a big thumbs up to the video. It will encourage us and bring us your love. Don't feel shy if you have any queries. Leave a comment below and we will help you with your difficulties. Let's get this party started. First and foremost, I want you to visit this fantastic website. This is the place where we can get free PayPal money and it's completely free. We may truly make money on this website by fulfilling tasks, such as viewing interesting videos and conducting short surveys. I realize that many of us dislike doing surveys because they are tedious and time-consuming. But don't be concerned, this website is not like that, which is why I enjoyed it. Their surveys are quite basic and take approximately 2 minutes to complete. However, if you don't enjoy doing surveys, you may make money by completing offers, which are also very quick and straightforward. As you can see, we will get paid quickly. They also provide a variety of withdrawal alternatives. That's one of the things I appreciate most about this website. If you do not have a PayPal account, you may withdraw your money by Scroll, Amazon, gift cards, Tango, or Bitcoin. The nicest aspect about this website is that you can use it with nothing more than your phone. It works better on your phone than it does on your desktop or PC. This is how you may make an account for free. So just click the Join Free button. Then it will lead us to their sign up page, which is right here. So all you have to do is type in your name, username, password, and email address. After that, input your address, city, zip code, and country. This is effective all over the globe. It works in India, the Philippines, the United States, Indonesia, Nigeria, and any other nation on the planet. So after you have chosen your nation, all you have to do is to input your withdrawal choices, then check these boxes. Enter the CAPTCHA and click register. This is what your account will look like after you have created it. Congratulations! As you can see, you have been successfully registered. I'd like you to take a look at this. We have already applied your 20 cents welcome bonus to your account balance, and you will be able to cash out for the first time whenever your balance exceeds $1. That is just incredible. Do we draw our money? We just need to earn $1. Now we are going to make money with this website simply. Click on Earn Money to get started. Then, as you can see above, there are several surveys that we may do to make money. As I previously said, these surveys are really short and straightforward. Now we will go ahead and click on some of the most popular surveys. When you click on it, you'll find that these are the top paid surveys for which you may complete for free. So take a close look at these polls. We get 30 cents for this one. This one also pays us 30 cents and this survey pays us 50 cents, 65 cents, 80 cents, and 85 cents. For completing basic surveys, one of the things I appreciate most about this website is that we may do surveys as many times we like, unlike other survey sites that have a registered number of surveys. The greatest thing is that this isn't the only method we can make money from this website. You may make money by completing tasks, watching videos, and introducing your friends. This website is now known as the rewardingways.com. But don't do directly to this website. First, I'll teach you how to withdraw your money. I'll also show you bonus websites and how to withdraw your money. Now that I'm on the side, all we have to do to withdraw our profits is click on Withdraw Cash. After you have clicked it, you will be able to withdraw your winnings by People Scroll or Bitcoin. Now, as promised, here are the bonus websites which are extra profits that I'd want you to share with you for you to optimize your revenue and results. So first and foremost, here is the website that will pay us $3 simply for joining up. This website is similar to rewardingways.com. However, this website pays more than the previous one. As you can see, they provide several withdrawal choices. You don't have to be concerned if you don't have a PayPal account. There are alternative options. Here are some payment proofs from folks who have been paid using our website. So that's how you may sign up for a free account on this website. To begin, click on Join. Then we just submit some information and join up for free. You may make money by viewing videos, completing offers, doing surveys, and playing games when you establish an account. Another website I'd like you to recommend is timebox.com. It's a fantastic website since it will pay you for doing things like posting on tech, talking, seeing amusing slideshows, playing games, installing applications, and so on. They also offer a program where you can be paid to view brief films. I like this website since it offers daily incentives. They will provide you with some completely free benefits every time you log into your account. Surely, you may begin earning immediately, which means you won't have to wait weeks to get approved into anything. You may join up immediately and start earning money that you can spend on anything you choose. So go to timebox.com. Join up using Facebook, which is a lot quicker and faster, since it only takes one click of a button. You may also do so by manually entering your email address and generating a password. After you have created an account, just log in to view this, with your completely new account, and you can see that individuals from all over the globe are getting money using this website. Since it seems that they are being paid every few minutes, individuals from India and the Philippines are generating money every day, and people from all over the globe utilize our website. Since it's completely free and it's quite simple, this website is once again named timebox.com. Sign up for free and earn money without having to invest any money. Now again, before we end this video, let us first walk through some of the facts on the Timebox website. Do you have an approval process? Nope. Once you sign up, you can start earning money instantly. We do have certain premium offers which require account verification to use them, but the majority of the offers you can start doing instantly. How do I check my earnings? Simply log in with your email and password in the top right corner of the home page. You will be redirected to your dashboard where you can check your live stats. Lastly, how much money can I make? Your average earnings greatly depend on several factors such as your country, the device you're using, and how long you have been using this website. For example, for someone from the United States using a combination of desktop and mobile devices, on the first day, they could earn up to $50. Every day after that, they can earn $10 to $20, depending on how much time they spend on this website. The first time is always the highest because the most of the high-paying offers are available. Some offers only allow you to complete them once, so they do not become available anymore. These earnings do not include any referral earnings. Your earning potential by using the two referral systems are limitless, and that's simple. All guys are sure to watch this video again and follow my instructions. Go start making money online today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notification turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.